Okay. Okay. I might want to trim off an edge back here and move it around to out yonder, because I want to fold this edge around, but I've only got board for about 4 inches here. 6 inches here. So if I cut it off right about here, I could take this piece and maybe put it on that corner back there. That might be about what I want to do. So I think I can make my doors out of a couple of these. Now I don't really have a couple of these. I got one. But there's 2 more over at Larry's house that I gave him because we're going to make shelves out of them. And I think it would make sense to take another one. I got another one down there that's not as simply made as this. It's got a lot more pieces and angles and brackets. It would be fine for shelves. So I could take that one over to Larry, bring this one back and make a door out of it. Get me another one, make another door over here out of the other one. That would work. Would do the trick. So I got a YouTuber coming to see me, and I hadn't heard from him. It's 2 o'clock, and I'd like to go over and see Larry. I ain't got no internet, I ain't got no phone, so I can't call anybody. And the phone number I got for the fellow that's coming doesn't seem to work. It may just be that it doesn't work from here, because it seems like I can't get no connection today. So, might be a good time to call it quits, go in the house, make a few videos, see if I can get my internet to work. Sometimes if I kick it enough times, I can get it started. And I'm a little tired. So, got the back wall done pretty good here. I'll grab my shirts and things and take them in the house. You know what I could do with those doors is just have 2 removable doors that I could pick up and set aside and put back in place when I get ready to have them lock this place down. It might be easier than trying to hinge something with that crooked roof there. Oh, the joy. I love a challenge. Alright. Let's see. We'll see how Charlie's doing in the house. I'll close up all this for now. Oh, the joy.